It's no exaggeration to say that hiring an asylum lawyer is one of the most important decisions that you'll ever make in your life. So much is riding on your case, and the help that you have by your side can make a massive difference in your chances for winning your case. So you can't just sort of go by feel or settle for some lawyer just because someone you know recommended them. You definitely cannot take a lawyer's word for it when they tell you to just trust them, that, they've got it all under control. Just hire them and, well, everything will be fine. No. The asylum lawyers you are interviewing for the right to represent you, well, they need to earn your trust. They need to be able to show you why they're the right person for your case, why they are uniquely positioned to give you the best possible chance to achieve your immigration goals. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 questions that you should ask any lawyer that you're considering hiring for your asylum case. I'm Brian Manning, and I used to be an asylum officer with the government, but now, as an asylum lawyer, well, I help immigrants all over the country to secure their future in America through asylum. Let me know in the comments if you've got an asylum case pending, or maybe you're considering applying. And listen, I'd especially like to hear from you if you've been waiting for an asylum interview with USCIS for multiple years. All right, here are 7 questions that you should get answers to before you even think of hiring an immigration lawyer for your asylum case. Number 1, what percentage of your caseload are asylum cases? So listen, you want your asylum lawyer to be a specialist, not a generalist. So if you need brain surgery, you don't go to your family doctor, right? The general practitioner is going to send you to the neurosurgeon, who is laser focused on the exact problem that you need solved. So it is with asylum. Listen, don't go to a lawyer who handles all kinds of immigration cases, with asylum just being an afterthought or maybe a lesser focus for them. Asylum is too complicated, with the policies changing too frequently to stay on top of it unless you're living and breathing it. You want a lawyer who is thinking about asylum all day, every day. You want the specialist who is dedicated to this very specific case type, okay? So I recommend not hiring a lawyer who says that asylum is less than 90% of their caseload. All right, number 2, do your attorneys have experience working as government immigration officers on asylum issues or any other insider experience? You want the inside edge if you can get it, right? I really think you can benefit from the perspectives of someone who has been on the other side of the desk, someone who knows what the other side is thinking, because, well, they've been on the other side of these cases. This insider knowledge can really make a difference in a case. So can the law firm that you're interviewing give you this? All right, number 3, do you have a formal office policy that ensures inquiries from clients will be responded to timely, such as within 1 business day? Communication is key in your asylum case. You need a lawyer who prioritizes keeping you informed and who responds to your questions and concerns promptly. A formal office policy guaranteeing timely responses, such as within 1 business day, well, it demonstrates that the law firm values client communication, and it has systems in place to ensure that you're never left in the dark about your case. This will make things go smoothly, and it will give you peace of mind, which you'll really appreciate as you progress in your case. Okay, number 4, do you have a formal process, like a set plan or a framework that you follow every time in formulating and presenting asylum cases? Asylum cases require a systematic approach to ensure the best possible outcome. A law firm with a well-defined process or framework for handling asylum cases demonstrates that they have the experience and the expertise to navigate the intricacies of these tricky cases. This is why at my law firm, we employ a structured 3-phase approach modified to fit each client's unique circumstances. And we call this an asylum action plan, and it's the key to our asylum success rate. A lawyer should be able to tell you in detail what they have planned for your case, okay? Next up, number 5. Will you write a legal brief in support of my case, setting forth legal analysis and incorporating country conditions information? A well-written legal brief is a crucial component of a successful asylum case. Your lawyer should be prepared to invest the time and effort to draft a comprehensive brief that presents a strong legal analysis of your case, supported by relevant country conditions information. This brief serves as a roadmap for the judge or asylum officer, highlighting the key elements of your claim and demonstrating how you meet all the requirements for asylum. Sadly and surprisingly, many lawyers don't do this. They don't write a legal brief at all. And this is a huge missed opportunity to set the stage for your case so that the official or the judge knows before you even set foot in the room that you've got a real legitimate case. Okay, we're ready for number 6. How will you help me prepare for my asylum hearing or interview exactly? The asylum interview or hearing is the most critical moment in your case, and you need to be fully prepared to testify effectively. Your lawyer should have a clear plan for preparing you for this important day, which should include conducting a full-scale mock interview. I assure you that you'll go into the real thing, the real hearing or interview, with confidence if you know ahead of time what kind of questions to expect, how it feels to be in this situation, and what the different procedures are for the day. You really need to practice this in a mock interview. But almost no lawyers out there actually do this. They just say something like, don't worry about it. We'll meet up a few minutes ahead of your hearing or your interview, and I'll go over with you a few of the questions that you'll probably get. This, my friends, is wholly insufficient. You need to practice the entire thing from beginning to end in a simulated interview, okay? Finally, 7, where can I find proof online that people have had positive experiences with your law firm? So when choosing an asylum lawyer, you want to know that they have a proven track record of success and that people actually like working with them. Look for a law firm that can point you to online reviews and testimonials demonstrating their effectiveness in handling asylum cases. These real-world examples of client experiences can provide valuable insight into the law firm's dedication, expertise, and ability to deliver positive results for their clients. If a law firm has fewer than, let's say, 200 Google reviews, well, they're probably doing something wrong. And if they have an average Google review score of less than about 4.7, you should stay away from them, in my opinion. If you're ready to take the next step and get help with your asylum case, then please call my office today. That number is 713-909-0401. And remember, we help people all over the country, so it doesn't matter where you live. Call us today to schedule an asylum strategy session so that we can help you secure your future in America through asylum. Again, I'm Brian Manning, and it's an honor to serve you in your asylum journey.